Google Gemini rolls out new memory feature. Google Gemini has introduced a new memory feature that enables it to store information about users' interests and preferences. The feature allows the AI chatbot to personalize its responses based on individual needs. Notably, OpenAI, one of Google Gemini's rivals, also released a similar memory feature to ChatGPT Plus subscribers in April, enabling it to recall specific details from previous conversations. Exclusively available to Gemini Advanced subscribers, this new update will provide a more tailored experience for users. According to Google, Gemini Advanced users can personalize their Gemini experience by sharing their interests, work, or hobbies during conversations. Moreover, users can enter relevant information about themselves on the chatbot's saved info page. As Google Gemini prioritizes user control and transparency, users can also view stored information, edit preferences, and delete the saved data. Furthermore, Gemini will always notify users when it uses the saved information in its responses. The feature also aims to boost efficiency and creativity by reducing repetitive information sharing and providing consistent and reliable interactions. The feature is not yet available on the Gemini apps for iOS and Android devices.